SOLIDWORKS Electrical comes with default libraries of parts, wires, and symbols, most of them related to electrical components. Through SOLIDWORKS Electrical, it is possible to draw PID schemes. SOLIDWORKS provides an archive file where we can find a range of PID objects that integrate your existing libraries. To proceed, it is necessary to download an archive PID environment from the online content. On the search bar, type PNID. The file has a gold medal icon. It means it's downloadable from users under subscription. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to unarchive it. The unarchiving wizard shows what objects are included. We do have 556 symbols, 85 manufactured parts. Click each tab to get further details. All the symbols downloaded are located in the classification folder, process, and instrumentation. The PID environment provides a useful project example, which is added to the database. Here we can find PID reports, title blocks, pipelines, and symbols. To insert symbol, browse for it in the process and instrumentation classification folder. Use the filter tab to refine the search. Find the symbol and place it. There are no graphical differences between a wire and a pipe. The differences are found in the properties. In Wire Style Manager, we can see all the hydraulic pipes available. Select the wire style, in this case we should call pipe style, and draw a line. This PID scheme stands beside the electrical ones, and they share some components. For example, this pump is represented by a PID symbol, connection label that shows its characteristics, and a schematic symbol that shows its electrical terminals. SOLIDWORKS allows us to bring the information just inserted from the 2D schematic to the 3D side. Both packages are linked to the same database. In SOLIDWORKS Mechanical, I need to turn on SOLIDWORKS Routing and SOLIDWORKS Electrical add-ins. On the right side, on the Electrical Documents Manager tab, I can access to the Electrical Project Manager and open one project of mine. The electrical engineer can go through all the documents on the right panel and have an overview of the project. A 3D assembly is already created. Double-click to open it. On the left, we can find all the components sorted by locations. Each component has a manufactured part associated. If I click the part, the 3D model alights. If I double-click the part, the software zooms on it. I can associate more manufactured parts or assembly parts to my components to make my BOM more accurate. Clicking on Hide already inserted components, I narrow down the list to show just the components I need to insert. I can associate my manufactured part to a 3D model previously inserted into my project, or I can quickly insert a brand new part from my library. To route a pipe, just insert a part from the piping or tubing library and drop it on the assembly. The route is just a 3D sketch that can be drawn manually or using the tool AutoRoute. On the same project, I can insert my pneumatic components if I have them, but also I can insert my electrical components. SOLIDWORKS can route for me wires, cables, and harnesses. I route some cables now. Click Route Cable, change the parameters if necessary, and click OK. After a few seconds, the cable is generated. All the cable and wire lengths have been automatically updated in the BOM. They are always accurate because they are linked to what we have drawn. With the route completed, the next step is to create the drawings. The pipe drawing tool automates this process in just few clicks. We have an isometric drawing complete with dimensions, balloons, and bill of materials. If I create a visual layout, I can make sure everything fits. Also, I can make sure I insert all the P and IED components, checking any interference. I verify the wires and the cables fit within the panel, getting the cutting length. I minimize the waste and optimize my time.